Alright, so the calendar module is located here at this /district/events. And over on the home page, I have this upcoming events widget that currently says no events to display. So over on the calendar module, I'm going to select a day and just hovering over it, I can click add and create a whole new event. So I'll just create one here on the 12th. I'll call this training event. I'll keep the author the same. You can give this a thumbnail, basically upload an image to place as the image for this event. If it's like if you have a flyer for this event or something along the lines that, like this is a fall festival, you might place a fall leaf here or something like that. Then the event duration is how long this event is lasting. So this is starting on December 12th. Let's say this training event starts at 9 in the morning and it's lasting until about noon. So let's say 12. And then this recurring event is actually if this event is repeating. So this is happening, um, this is happening on the 12th, which is a Thursday. So it's a Thursday and Friday maybe. So December 12th. So let's just say until the 27th. All right, and I'm not going to share this on social networks. And let's go ahead and give this a training category. And if you want to learn more about categories, go ahead and watch the category manager video and the site configuration topic. Okay, we can also do things like enable, if comments are enabled, we'll send them to an address, or enable RSVPing. So this is if this is an event that people can RSVP to, you can enable RSVPing and actually monitor who has RSVP'd, whether yes, no, or maybe. And then we'll just say this is a training event. And I'll publish now. All right. So now we're seeing this training event appearing starting at 9 a.m. on every Thursday and Friday until the 27th. Now, if I refresh this, we'll see the training event for the 12th, 13th, 9th, and 20th, 26th, and 27th. Okay, so that's essentially how the calendar module works. Now with this calendar widget, I encourage you to watch the calendar widget module or calendar widget video if you want to learn more about configuring this widget here. But essentially, this module allows us to do things like in the settings here, change the layout to say day view. Or this is actually for the widget, excuse me, but we can change the view by saying week view. And there's nothing happening from the 1st to the 7th. And on the 8th to the 14th, we have an event on Thursday and Friday at 9 a.m. Let's go ahead and go back to month view though. Okay, we also have things like this create new, which I believe will actually create a new event for this day that we're on here. We have Ical Imports, so if you do have a calendar on like Outlook or Google or anything like that, and you export it as an iCal, which is essentially a calendar file, you can import that using this Ical import. Okay, and that's essentially everything to do with this calendar here. And we also have category filters if you want to filter these events by categories. Or again, enable RSVPing. There's an RSVP video you can watch. And yeah, that's just about everything with this calendar module.